In today's video, I'll be sharing some of the best movie apps for iPhone that you can use to watch, track, and organize your favorite films and shows. Let's get started. First app on the list is Onx Plus. This app gives you access to a wide variety of movies and shows right on your iPhone. It's user-friendly, runs smoothly, and is perfect if you want an easy way to browse and watch content without hassle. Next, we have Plex. Plex is more than just a streaming app, it's also a media organizer. With Plex, you can watch free movies and shows, stream live TV, and even organize your personal media collection. It's one of the most versatile apps out there, especially if you want both entertainment and media management in one place. And finally, there's Just Watch. This app is amazing if you often wonder, where can I watch this movie? Just Watch doesn't stream the movies itself, but instead tells you exactly which platform has the movie or show you're looking for. It also lets you create a watch list and keep track of what's coming out across different streaming services. That's it for today's list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more app recommendations.